Hey, good morning. This is T. Evans with MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. Today I'm showing you a 2024 model Bennington. This particular model is a 23-foot LX Sport swingback. We did the exterior in metallic platinum. Really smooth paneling, of course, because that's new for the LX Sport. You'll also see the recessed docking lights, navigation lights. Another neat feature, kind of went towards the car industry on this one. When the power's on, you've got your little indirect lighting right here. So kind of like halo headlights. Look really neat on the water. This one is a tri-tune, of course. Metallic white, like I said, and then it has the carbon decal on the back. This particular one is powered with the Mercury 200 on it. Ski tow bar. And if you'll notice on the transom here, we also did the stainless steel upgrade. So that one's got your RGB lighting, LED lighting inside, speakers rear facing. We did do the lily pad ladder on this particular model as well. So it's a really nice, bolsterous, goes down in the water, rather deep. So it makes the ease of getting in and out of the water very easy. Let's climb aboard and take a look on the interior. All right, guys, now that we're on the inside of this boat, we did the platinum color interior with the carbon accent, which goes really good with the metallic white exterior. One of the main reasons we do it. This one is the swingback model, so you've got your swingback here. Sit rear facing. If you're lounging off the back of the boat, it has the extended aft deck, so there's plenty of room to play for the kids, plenty of room to fish if you want to fish, so it's really nice on the back. And then forward facing, if you're down, going down the lake, water, sitting here talking, got a really good, kind of like a little galley area. Moving over to the dash here, we did do the 9-inch Simrad on this one, so that has all your navigation, depth finder, fish finder, all your engine gauges and all digital. We did do the upgraded stereo on this one. And of course the RGB lighting over there as well, so you can change all your indirect floor lighting and all. Moving up to the front, we've got the same size lounges on both sides with recessed cup holders, recessed. There's some chargers in there on both sides. We've got the kicker speaker upgrade. Again, you got storage up under all your seats. Again, this boat here, we just got it in inventory here at MarineMax in Greenville, South Carolina. You can give us a call at 864-236-9005 or come by and check it out. We've got a 30,000 square foot showroom with a lot of boats inside. Hope to see you soon. Thank you.